Hello students, in previous video I teach you what is network topology and what are the different types of topology. Okay, now I am going to start the first topology, that is mesh topology. Okay, I already make a diagram of mesh topology where every nodes are or computers are connected with each other. In mesh topology, the every device is connected via dedicated channel. These channel are known as link. So first, every device is connected via dedicated channel. Dedicated means that once a link is established between two nodes, it may be like a lease connection. That means, so the node when send data to the receiver node, it can only send the receiver node only, not interfere with other nodes are connected with them. Okay, so these are lease connection. Okay, you may say that. So this is a point to point link. Okay, so these channel are known as link. Yes, all channels are known as link, and these are point to point link. Okay, if suppose n, so we can find here, so how what number of ports are available on these networks, and what are the link, the how many numbers of links are present in a given number of nodes. Okay, so if suppose n number of devices are connected, we take how many numbers here in given diagram. Here the number of nodes is n equals to 5, so 5 number of nodes are connected with each other, so the value of n is 5. Okay, if suppose n number of devices are connected with each other in mesh topology, the total number of ports that is required by each device is n minus 1. There are 5 devices connected with each other, hence total number of ports required is n minus 1. So what is n minus 1? Equals to 4. N equals to 4. So how many ports required? 4 ports required when 5 nodes are connected with each other. And if suppose n number of devices are connected with each other in mesh topology, the total number of link, how many links, how can we calculate how many links are connected with each other? The total number of link that is required by each device is n of n minus 2. Okay, so if the value of n is 5, so n minus 1 is 4, and 5 into 4 by 2, we get the value 10. Okay, how? 2 to 4, 5, 10. Okay, so these are all about mesh topology. It's okay, or you can say that mesh topology is a topology. Mesh topology is a topology where the fully connected networks are established. That means the dedicated means the link carries traffic only between the two devices if it connects. Okay, so I told you how we find the ports, number of ports, and how we find the number of links. Okay, so what are the advantages and disadvantages of mesh topology? If we establish mesh topology, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? So first, what are the advantages? It is robust, means if one link become unusable, it does not incapacitate the other system. That means if this node become unusable, okay, you see, if these node become unusable, so that means it may not incapacitate, it does not incapacitate the other system. That means there is not problem to work in other system. Okay. Second is fault is diagnosed easily. So if any one node having problem, we can diagnose which node having problem. We can easily diagnose. Okay. It provides security and privacy because dedicated link and point-to-point link is there. It provides security and privacy of the network. Okay. So what are the disadvantages of the mesh topology? First is installation and configuration is difficult. You see how complex are there, because every connection, every network is connected with every other network. Okay, other nodes. So it is very difficult to install and configure to each and every systems with each other. Second is cost of maintenance is very high. So cost of maintenance is very high because lots of bulk of wires are there, and it is difficult to install and configuration. So we have to hire an hardware expert who take care of this maintenance of all nodes. Okay. Third is cost of cables are high as bulk wiring is required, because lots of wiring and network ports are required. So it is very costly to maintain the cables which are high as bulk using is required. Okay, so these are all about mesh topology. Thank you. In next video I will teach you other topologies. Okay, thank you. Bye.